Hi friends, today I'm trying to show you my Samsung Chromebook battery replacement. You can see this Samsung Chromebook is launched like 5 years back, and that time it was great Chromebook. It's 1080p and it's still working fine. The only problem I faced is with this battery pack, because with the last update the Chromebook have done, somehow the Samsung closed or shut down the battery pack. So you can see, like, if I take my charger out, even if it is showing 97% battery left, it only work for 3 or 4 minutes. So you can clearly see it here that only 4 or 3 minutes left and 97% battery is there. And before this update my Chromebook used to work like for 6-7 hours. So 97% but only 3 minutes left. So this battery is gone and I don't have any other choice to get it replaced. And you can see that again I'm trying to show you pretty quick, like the 97% and 3 minutes, and if I put this charger back in, it shows same like 97%. So the battery is fully charged but still it's not working after this Chrome OS update. The replacement battery I got for this Chromebook is from Cameron Scion, and I can show like this is from Amazon. This comes in a great packing, like protective packing. I thrown the outer cardboard box and you can see it clearly. This is the model CS and then AA-PLVN2TP 7.6 volt DC 4700 mAh. So this is the same wattage and same configuration as in the Samsung Chromebook. This is the connector thing. You can see the tiny connectors in this hook. In the back it's all like protective thing. What is there for this battery pack, like no water, no fire, no screw, do not trash, the temperature ratings and all these details. It's lead free battery pack. And the connector, serial number and everything is there. So this is a good battery pack and hope it will fit well in my Samsung Chromebook. I am here to show like how this thing fits up. So this is my Samsung Chromebook. First thing is to take out the back cover. So there are screws on the back cover that you have to take it out. First I thought there will be some screws actually below the legs or the cushions, so I take 1 or 2 out, but there was no screws there. So all the screws on the back cover is all seen. So there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like around 8 or 9 screws, and you can just take it out. All the screws pretty easy to take it out. So once you take out all the screws in, just try to put these screws in a small section because it's very tiny screws and you don't want to lose it. So when all the screws are out, I just put it in a small plate section and then take the plastic tool to take the back cover out. So let me just take out the screws first. With this small plastic tool, like I'm trying to take out the back cover. The back cover is actually fixed with that small tiny hinges. It's like a snap it out sort of back cover thing, and you have to be very careful because back cover is of plastic and a small break in the hinges will not get a good fit. So once the cover is out, you can see the original Samsung battery pack inside. So I'm trying to match all this configuration and the specification with the new battery pack, and it matched perfectly fine with it, with the AA-PLVN2TP and 7.6 volt, and I just match it. This match perfectly fine. So my thing is now to take this battery pack out, and there are screws here. That screws you need to take out. So just to make sure that once you take out these screws, there are small hinges and that also hold this battery pack. So there are not screws on it, but it holds the battery pack in place. So you have to be careful about that as well. So when the screws are out, I'm putting in a different section so that I don't miss the back cover and the battery pack one. Now just taking out is from the stand, and now just connecting the connector, and you can see the connector is like a little take out and then put it out sort of thing. So you have to take out the connector carefully. You have to just push it from the back and it will just come out. This connector is out, so this battery pack is out, and you can see a little hole in between that, and it needs to fit, as I said, like in the hinges from the other battery as well. So all these small hooks will hold the battery pack, and then you have to tie it with the screws. So I'm just trying to put this battery pack in place, and as I said, like this, for like two corner stands and two corner stands on the left and the right, and even in the middle one. So you have to first put this thing back in so that the battery pack will hold it very carefully and very firmly, and then we need to just put the connector back in. I'm just trying to put the connector to check if it is working or not. You cannot see small light on the very left corner, but I can see that this is connected properly. I will put this wire a little, push it down so that it will not hinder with the back cover. And you can see like these four corners that I'm talking about, which holds it, and then the connector fits well inside to the so I will just checking it. It's firmly closed and tapped in. So these all corners, and then when holds the battery, when it holds it perfectly fine, I'm just putting all the screws back in. So once I tighten and put all these screws back in, the battery is now not shaking or anything. It fits perfectly fine and connected well with the connector, so there is no other issue and things we need to do it here. I will check this once, but before that I will just make sure that all the connection are connected properly, screws and the stands and everything. So once everything is final and I confirmed everything, all the screws and stand and hooks, I will just try to start this Chromebook without putting the back cover first, so that I will make ensure that everything is perfectly fine. So if you see it here, now the battery, when I start this, shows 37%, and then when I disconnect this charger, is calculating and showing me 1 hour 46 minutes left. So this is fit perfectly fine now. So I'm just putting in the back cover, And in this back cover, as I said, like this is the snap this down first, so you have to put your back cover first, the tiny hinges inside, and push it well so that it will hold it perfectly fine. Once this tiny hinges go perfectly fine and everything, you will see from all the corners, make sure that it is perfectly inside and there is no gap in between. As you see, there is no gap here, everything fits well. So I will just put all the screws back in. So I'm just making sure all the screws back ends are tight and tidy. So all the screws are fine, tight, perfect fit, no issues with it. So checking back in, I'll start my Chromebook, and right now I don't put the charger in, but I will just put in the charger and see how this thing works. It start charging the battery, you can see that icon, it start charging the battery in, and then it says 37% here. I will take the charger out and it's calculating, and 1 hour 31 minutes left. So you can see it's actually better than those 4 minutes, and this is a 37% charge. This is perfectly fine and fit battery.